All right, what's going on, guys? It's Luke here. Today, I'm just waiting for market to open. I figured I'd knock out this video talking about the new Alpha Futures premium plan. These just came out today, and I figured I'd run through them because these accounts are a really good option for you guys. These will overtake the standard accounts, and for the next 7 days, you can get 25% off. So if you use code LukeX, you get 25% off on those accounts. I'm going to run through everything, and yeah, let's get right into this. So these accounts, basically, like I said, are going to be, instead of the standard accounts, you can see now if you go on Alpha Futures, we just have the zero plan, the advanced plan, and now the premium plan. So here's the pricing. You can see there is activation fee option, and then there's a no activation fee option. So you could see $80, and then you'd pay that activation fee. Or there's $80, and then you'd pay the activation fee, and then there's a no activation fee option as well. But if you take 25% off this, that's what you'll get right now. So this doesn't include the discount. Then you'll see all these prices right here. Now these are a little bit more expensive, obviously, than the zero accounts, but the things that are included is what makes it worth that price. I'm going to explain that to you guys really quick. These are very similar to like Top Step, Lucid type accounts, just with a higher payout cap and with the drawdown rule that Alpha is known for. So I'm going to run through that really quick. So we're going to go through everything here. Obviously, this is going to be a 90% split. So if you guys remember, on the standard accounts, they used to be tiered splits where it would go from 70% to 80 and then up to 90. These are just a flat out 90% profit split. $3,000 profit target, $2,000 max drawdown. You can trade up to four contracts. Payouts you can get weekly. I'm going to get into that. This is for the eval, so there is consistency on the eval, so it does take 2 days to pass. So you would make 1,500 and then 1,500, and you could see that there's only consistency now on the eval. So I'm going to run through this. Everything else is pretty much standard, but I mainly just use the 50Ks, which is what I'm going to go through quick. So I have everything written down here. So basically, you just need 5 winning days of $200 to secure a payout. Therefore, you can get weekly payouts if you are getting consistent 5 days. But that's how it works. So that's pretty much like the standard. We have, like, obviously with Top Step and Lucid, 5 days of 150. So this is just gonna be 5 days of $200, which is already what you have on the zeros. So the good thing here is that we have no consistency on the funded account. You guys know that Alpha would always have 40% consistency, except on the advanced, but there's no consistency on the funded account. So you can basically make as much as you want without having to worry about making too much because of consistency. Now, here's the big part here. You can get up to $6,000 in the payout cap. So every payout basically scales up. I think the first payout scales from 3K and then it works its way up to $6,000. And that's per account. So you have 5 accounts. So let's say your first payout, you're making 3K across 5 accounts. That'll be a 15K payout. And then you keep scaling up. And then to your 5th payout, you can potentially get up to a $6,000 payout cap. $6,000 times 5 would be a $30,000 payout before you were potentially moved to live at that point, right? So the payout caps, Top Step now is only 2K per account, Lucid 2K, 2.5K, whatever. And these are going to be starting higher and then they scale up to $6,000. So obviously, you guys know you need to make, double that and then request 50%. But obviously, yeah, that's how it works with everyone. So the payout caps are much higher, right? And you can have 5 accounts compared to 3 accounts. So that's another good thing with a 90% profit split. And then another big thing here is the no max loss limit slides to 0, which means you get to keep your extra drawdown. This is something that only Alpha has. No other props have this. So basically it means, say for example, you hit your 5 winning days, but you're only up, let's just say $1,000 on the account. You're eligible for a $500 payout. You take that $500 payout on the other firms, like on Top Step, on Lucid, you're only left with the other $500. But on Alpha, you're able to keep that extra drawdown that you had. So that is another big thing. If you're somebody who didn't build a huge buffer and you want to take a payout, you're able to keep that extra drawdown. So that no max loss limit slides to 0. Plus the higher payout caps is going to make this account worth it. But the no consistency on funded is a big thing for me. This is something that I love. I hate trading accounts with consistency. Obviously, it's usually fine for a beginner to keep your wins consistent. But, for somebody who's advanced, yeah, this is much better. And another thing I forgot to add is there's no daily loss limit. So if you guys remember on the zeros and everything, there's a $1,000 daily loss limit. So there's no daily loss limit on these accounts. So again, just to recap it, 5 days of $200 for your payouts, no consistency on funded, no daily loss limit, up to $6,000 max payout cap, and that's per account. So you can stack 5 accounts. So you could potentially have a 30K max payout on the 5th payout. That's supposed to say 30K. whatever. 90% split, and again, that no max loss limit slides to zero rule, so you're able to keep your extra drawdown if you are going for a small payout, and you're not going to be penalized for taking a smaller payout. And again, 25% off for the next week, I think. Yeah, until the 8th. So that's it from you guys. Again, there's a no activation fee option and an activation fee option as well. So if you guys want 25% off and you do want to get these cheaper, then you can use code LukeX or whatever code you want. But that's it for me, guys. Just want to knock out a quick video because there's a lot to go over with these accounts, and it just made it easier just to make a whole YouTube video. So that's it for me, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Let me know if you guys are going to use these accounts or what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.